Mehul and Garv, please delete your messages from the group. Mehul and Garv, delete your messages from the group. Mehul, delete the second one also. Very good. Beta, in my last class was going on, so that is why I locked the meeting because you all joined before time. That is why. And from 5A section also, Karthik, please delete your messages from the group. Karthik, beta, delete your messages from the group. Delete them for everyone. Very good. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, please
Excuse me.
allow me to rename.
Yes.
Sir, sir, please ask anyone to send me, sir, exercise A of chapter timetable.
Exercise A of chapter timetable. Beta, it was done in the book only. Someone please send it to Advika. Okay, so we have completed our syllabus. We have started the revision also. Everyone, are
Yes,
you all
sir.
prepared for the chapters that I told you to do today?
Yes, sir. We have
The
already.
chapters we were about to do today? Chapter
Excuse
18
me,
and
sir.
14. Yes.
16 chapter timetable.
Yeah. You have a doubt?
16.
Sir, you said so chapter number 14 and 18.
Yes. Ojasvi, what is the doubt?
Sir, in 9 and 10. Sir, 9 and 10.
Ninth and
Table of
10th
the answer.
question. Okay. I'm telling you the answers. So chapter timetable is chapter number, which chapter? 14, 16.
16.
Okay. Answer of ninth question. What is the time difference between the first and second bus to Panipat?
16.
The
Sir,
answer
bottom में
is
करना है.
50 minutes. No, in the book only. 50 minutes.
Sir, how?
Answer is 50 minutes. 5:30, suppose, sorry, 5:40, if the time is 5:40 and the time is 6:30, what is the difference between 5:40 and 6:30? Tell me.
So 50
So
minutes.
50 minutes.
There is a time difference of 50 minutes. How do you find it, all of you? कैसे find करते हैं?
Because, sir, we find it, sir, that 50, sir, if there is time 10:50 and the bus is of 11:50, so sir it is a difference between 1 hour, and sir if there is time of 10:50 and the bus goes at 11:40, then the time is 50 minutes.
So let me explain you, beta. Listen carefully. Yeah, listen, all of you. So Ojasvi, I'm explaining you how to calculate the time difference here. Do you know
Okay,
that
sir.
1 hour has 60 minutes, Ojasvi? Do you know
Yes,
this?
sir.
So if you add 20 minutes here, after 20 minutes the time will be 6 o'clock, right? After 20 minutes, time will be 6 o'clock. And what is the time difference between 6 o'clock and 6:30? 30 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
After 30 minutes, the time will be 6:30. So 20 plus 30, what is the sum? 20 plus 30, total
50.
50 minutes. Understood, Ojasvi?
Okay, sir.
Got it? And in question
Yes, sir.
10, a person from Ballabgarh is coming to Delhi. From Ballabgarh to Delhi. Okay. So he misses the first bus. At what time will he get the second bus? So the
Yes, sir.
first bus is at 6:30. Very similar
Okay,
type
sir.
of question. From Ballabgarh to Delhi, what is the first bus? The first bus is at 6:30. So you have to
Yes,
add,
sir.
the second bus will be after 50 minutes. So 50 minutes you have to add in this. How will you add? If you add 30 first, if you add 30 minutes in this, 30 minutes add करेंगे, then the time will be 7 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the time will be 7 o'clock. And now how many minutes are still remaining? 20 minutes are still remaining. So add 20 minutes more. So then the time will be 7:20. Understood?
Okay, sir.
7:20 a.m. Right? Got it? Ojasvi?
Okay, sir.
7:20 is the answer. 7:20 a.m. Okay, so this is your revision class. I hope you all are a little prepared today. Yesterday you were not.
Sir, I am saying that we have to write it in rough or fair.
Fair copies. Do it in fair copies. Okay. So today we have revision of chapter 14 and 18. Okay, everyone ready? I will be one by one. I will be giving you questions and you will be giving answers. Ready, everyone?
Sir, 14 and 18.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
in the chat box.
No, no. Write. Post your answer. Do the solution in the copy and post your answer in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ready for the first question, all of you? Let me just type it. If I write, it will take more time. Typing I can do a bit faster. My typing is much better than my writing. Okay. Do you want to see my typing speed? All of
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
You want
Sir,
to
we have
see?
to write questions also.
Sorry?
So where you will type in
Yes.
chat box or in the group?
No, I am typing here. Can you see this screen?
Sir, we have to write questions on a white screen.
Ah, yes, this white screen. You will write the questions also, okay? Everyone. You will write the questions also.
Sir, I write all the questions.
Very good. Riddhi Agarwal is not connected. Okay, ready, everyone? So, first question, you all will write it in your copy first and then you will start solving it.
Safi, I have to write first all the questions.
No, just one question, one by one, not all the questions at once. Okay, first question, everyone. A shopkeeper bought a box of chocolates for rupees 27.50 and sold it for rupees 25, full stop. Did he make a profit or loss? And how much did he lose or gain? Question mark.
Sir, you have sent in chat box.
No, beta, I am typing on the screen. You can see.
Okay, sir.
Can you see it on the screen? A shopkeeper bought a
Yes.
box of chocolates for, see, my typing is very quick. Bought a box of chocolates for rupees 27.50 and sold it for rupees 25. Did he make a profit or loss? And how much did he lose or gain? Very easy question. So write down the question in your copies first and then start solving it in your copy and then post your answer in the group.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, it is 2.5 written or 25 point.
Sorry, beta, my mic was off. It is rupees 25, not 2.5. Okay. And all of you, I want you all to do each question in 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes for all each question and post it in the group quickly. Okay. I want your answers very, very quick.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have done. Can I send
Yes.
answers in chat box?
No, beta, take a photo and send your answer in the group.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I have sent the answer in the group.
Very good, beta. I'm checking. Very nice, Adya.
Sir, I have done and sent.
Good. Riyansh has also sent his answer. बेटा रियांश प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है?
So what?
Is it a profit or loss?
Sir, loss.
You have written profit. The selling price is less, cost price is more, therefore it is a loss. Jasvi, your answer is correct. Write down a statement in the end that the shopkeeper made a loss of rupees 2.50. Okay. When you write it in decimal, you don't write पैसे in the end. Rupees 2.50 ही लिखेंगे उसको, लास्ट में पैसे नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay. Mujasvi.
Sir,
Can we do the next question, all of you now? Very few of you have posted.
Yes, sir.
Advika has posted.
Yes, sir, we can do the next one.
Advika, you have not written, when you have written the formula CP minus SP, you have not written loss on the left side. So you, in the third statement, third line, loss equal to CP minus SP.
Okay, sir.
Advika. Very good. Correct, Advika. What about rest of you? Can we do the next question, all of you? You have taken a lot of time for this question.
sir, I have
Okay.
sent it.
Yes,
Please
sir.
check my.
Sir, I am sending.
Sir, I have also sent it.
Very good. And
Sir, please give the next question.
Garv, what have you written? You have written 20 rupees 27.50 minus 27.50. दोनों same लगा दिए CP and SP. And you
No,
have
sir. Sir,
देखो.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this is a
And in the end
mistake.
you have written 2.50. And you have not mentioned that what is the SP here. SP you have not written what is SP. SP is rupees 25. Yeah. Next question, everyone.
Sir, I have also sent.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay, everyone, write down the next question.
Sir, it will be also a word problem.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Rahul bought a car for rupees 1,32,500 and sold it for rupees 1,45,700. How much did he lose or gain by selling it? Question mark.
Sir, the spelling of bot is wrong.
Rahul Bhatt.
I think he is in a family of Alia Bhatt.
Family member of Alia Bhatt. Rahul bought a car for rupees 1,32,500 and sold it for rupees 1,45,700. Correct. Yeah. Start doing the question. Very easy one. Adeshika has sent the answer of the first one. Okay, Adeshika, correct. Adeshika, be a little quick in giving your answers. Akshat Sahu, you have not given your answer. Karthik, you have not given your answer. Mehul, you have also not given the answer. Pratyush Pal, Ojasvi, you all have not given your answers in the group.
What's up?
You all have not given the answer in the group. You have not posted the answer in the group.
Sir, I am doing.
Okay. How much time you will take for one question? Beta, be a little quick. You all are taking too much time for doing every question. If you do your exam in this speed, you will not be able to complete your exam at all. You will be able to do only half of it if you do at this speed.
Sir, I have sent the second one also.
Okay, Adya. Yeah, Adya, when you are writing profit, the statement is wrong. Profit of car is no statement. You just write profit. Okay. Don't write profit of car.
Okay.
Just write profit equal to SP minus CP.
So
Okay.
can we write profit from car?
You profit on selling car. If you want to write a statement there, you can write profit on selling the car. Okay. You can write it like this. Done, everyone?
So sending into.
Adya did the question in almost 2.5, 3 minutes.
So the class
So
started
that
in
means
9:10 and now
maximum
it's
you all can
9:40.
do it in maximum 4 minutes.
The one
It should
question is
not take
taking minimum 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Why?
Because of the class started at 9:10 and it's right now 9:40.
Yeah.
That means one
Yes.
question took 15 minutes. So
Yes.
two questions took half
Yes.
an hour.
Yes. Correct. Because some students are taking a lot of time, but each question can be done in maximum 4 minutes. Even if you're writing the question, in writing the question, it should not take more than 1 minute and 2 minutes to solving it, to solve the question and all. So 3 minutes, maximum 4 minutes. Let's add one more minute. So why are you taking so much time, everyone?
So I have done and sent.
See, some of the students have already done and sent the question. I don't know what is the reason why the others are not able to do it. Deshika, what is this? The answer is calculation is correct 13,200 and in the end you have written 31,200. Why? 13 को 31 बना दिया. Advika, correct. Good. Ojasvi. Ojasvi, 1,13,200 profit. It is not 1,13,200. It is only 13,200. 1 lakh कहाँ से आ गया? Ojasvi, check your calculation. You have written the CP wrong.
Okay, sir.
Cost price is not 32,500. Cost price is 1,32,500. Ojasvi.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please give the next question.
Yes.
Sir, I have done and sent it.
Yes, Garv, I'm checking your answer. Garv, you are not writing profit equal to SP minus CP. Write down the whole formula, just not the RHS. Write both the sides. Left hand side में क्या होता है, right hand side में क्या होता है. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Write down the formula like this. And you have not written rupees. Rupees 13,200. You have written, your answer is 13,000. It is wrong. It should be 13,200. Garv, check it. Check the subtraction also.
Okay.
Let's do the next question, everyone.
Give the next question.
Yes. Write down the next question, everyone. Two angles of a triangle are 65 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Full stop. Find the third angle of the triangle. Full stop. Okay, in place of this degrees, you can also write the name. Arnav Singh is now joining the class.
Sir, can we write the name also? Like sir, angle ABC.
Yes, you can write the name. You can give the name yourself. Done. Very simple question. You should have done it by now.
Doing so almost done.
Okay, from the next time when we do the worksheet, when we do the revision, I will not ask you to write down the questions. Okay, from the next time, I will ask you to only solve the questions in your copies and post your answer. In the end, when we have done all the questions, I will allow you to take a screenshot of the questions at once. Last में बिल्कुल आप you can take a screenshot and done, and then save it in your phone. Okay, for practice if you want. Okay. Later on, if you practice the question, if you want to practice the question, you should have a screenshot. You should have the questions with you. Okay. I'm just checking that how many students are giving the answers correctly, how many students are posting the answers, how many are not posting the answers. Okay, I'm noticing all this. On the basis of this only class performance, your performance in the test, on the basis of this only, I will be deciding your marks for notebooks, for attendance, for class performance, everything. You have marks for these things also. Subject enrichment. So I will be deciding your marks based on this.
So done and send the third one.
You're checking. Yashasvi, answer is correct. Just there is one mistake in the third step. On the right hand side, you have written 110. It will be 180. Ojasvi.
Sir, it is, sir, I have cut this, sir. Sir, it
Correct
is
it.
Sir, I have also said.
corrected. Sir, I have corrected.
Okay. They are correct. Very good. Arnav, you have sent the answer now. First one. Arnav, where were you?
So because of that, I was corrected and now I have joined.
You write down the unit. Rupees 2.50. Rupees. Riyansh and Gav correct answers. Rest of you, please post your answer quickly.
Sir, I have sent you.
Advika correct. Very good.
Sir, I have also shared.
Okay.